Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be unboxing the Elite 2.0. So let's get right into that. As you can see, this is the back of the blaster from Nerf Hasbro, and you can add adjustments here. Wait, where's the other spot? Here and here. This is the back piece where you'll pretty much like hold it like this. You got the more accurate piece at the front that you use. It helps you with your accuracy. So let's start opening the box. There's a piece in the back. The thing about this blaster is that the feel in this is a little loose, but I'm fine with it. But it's like I already have one of these, but the grip is fine. It's actually pretty fine. So as you can see, and it says Elite 2.0. As you can see, the actual back piece, and you got the actual front piece, and you got the scope part. You got the bottom thing. You can also put like grips and stuff on here. And I forgot what this was for, but oh no, this was for your laser, like a laser scope, and I forgot what this was for. I have a laser scope. But now we're just about to kind of like test fire it. Oh, so we're having 12 darts. So this only shoots 6. So we got half and half. As you can see, it comes with orange and blue, and blue and orange. Let's get this out. So yeah, as you can see, it comes with the orange and the blue, and then the blue and the orange. So let's open this up. Oh, and also Merry Christmas. I like the design of these, like these orange and blue ones. These ones, I get them confused with normal Elite darts. So yeah, and you also can buy this at Walmart, Target, mostly a lot of stores that you would find just random Nerf guns. So now we're going to be test firing. Here we go. As you can see, that went back there. When it hit the wall, it hit it like hard. So I would, if I was to rate this to 1 to 10, I would rate this like 100. Well, a 10, but if I would just rate this a full 100. It's good in impact, and it's built like it's supposed to be a real Nerf gun, like it is. So we'll test firing one more time. About the same spot. Yeah. We're going to keep going until, let's see if well, that seems like it works good. So we're gonna do a full round of rapid firing. So let's do that right now. It doesn't take long to reload, but it's not good to get in a battle with. You're gonna have to have something else on you, like maybe like a small like pistol, Nerf pistol, maybe something like the Elite pistol. That'll work. But now for rapid fire. And yeah, it works pretty good. Well, I will rate this in 100. It works nice. Oh, and also, I got these. I think I got these from Target. You can get these from Target, Walmart, I think Amazon. Amazon mostly have these. Just look up like 200 darts. Work with the N Strike and Elite. I actually have an N Strike. That's gonna have to be for another video. Well, let's actually see how these are designed. Let's get it open. Okay. The way the box is kind of hard to open. Oh, so it comes in. So expect it to come in packs. It comes in packs. Well, let's pop one of these open and see if it works with this. Ah, it's sticking. It's sticking. So yeah, let's try. Oh yeah, this also shoots like 5, well no, 6 actually. So yeah, we're gonna do a normal test, then we're gonna do a rapid fire test. I'm just really hoping that this doesn't damage my wall. Well, yeah, it does good with normal fire. Even with these darts. We're gonna try rapid fire if it works. So yeah, let's get right into that. That's only if it works. I forgot the way this was made. Oh god, it's made that way. Okay. Huh, it works pretty nice. Well, this I would recommend you guys getting this and getting these darts also. It's up to you. It's worth it. I think these only cost like maybe $20. $10. $10 for 200. $10 for 200. So yeah, well, that's gonna have to end today's video. See you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and like this video. It can turn black. For people who got the update, it can turn black, it can turn gray, or it can turn blue. So make sure to smash that like button, and see you guys in the next one.